हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो सब? एकदम बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। चलो, इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस मेथड ऑफ एस्टिमेशन टू फाइंड द क्यूब रूट ऑफ एनी गिवन नंबर. Method of estimation is the second method to find the cube root of any given number. First method that we will discuss, which is prime factorization method. In this method, we will directly estimate. What is the meaning of estimate? We will directly guess the value of the cube root of the given number. So for that, consider this question number 1. First number we are given that find the cube root of this given number by method of estimation. So 175616 is the given number. So how can we estimate the value of cube root of the given number? So for that we must require the values of cube from 1 to 10. So that you have to learn. Learn all the values of cube of numbers from 1 to 10. So let me write over here. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube value is 27, 4 cube value is 64, 5 cube value is 125, 6 cube value is 216, 7 cube value is 343, 8 cube value is 512, 9 cube value is 729 and 10 cube value is 1000. ये आपको याद कर लेनी है, ठीक है. नाउ सेकेंड, we have learned one property regarding the cube root. We have discussed that if the number is that whose unit place digits are 2, unit place digits are 2 or 3, and if we find the cube root of that given numbers, then we are getting one cube root whose unit place digit will be 8. Similarly, if the given perfect cube number has unit place digit 3, and if you find the cube root of that number, so we are getting the number 7 at the unit place of this digit. Conversely, if 8 is there at the unit place, we are getting 2, and for 7 we are getting 3 at unit place. And for remaining all the numbers, that is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, we are getting the same digits as the unit place digit. Now for given perfect cube numbers, if the unit place digit are this number, then its cube root will contain the same digit as a unit place digit. This is the property of unit place digit. Unit place digit property. ये दोनों को combine करके we will estimate the value of cube root of this given number. How? Check it. So given number is 175616. First we have to make the group of digits from the right hand side into the digits of 3 3. So this first group is having the digits 616. First group is 616 and second group is 175. First you have to make the group of digits from the unit place digits into the digits of 3. 3 digit का एक ग्रुप बनाओ. Done. This is first group, this is second group. Now for this first group we are using this property, and for this second group we are using this property. कैसे यूज करना है देखो. Now here unit place digit of this number is 6, then the cube root of that number will consist of number 6 at the unit place. So for this 6, if we take the cube root of this number, we know that the cube root of this given number will also consist of 6 as a unit place. So you have to write 6 over here. So from this we are getting one digit 6 over here. Done. Now for this group we are making the use of property, that is our cube. So which number is there? 175 number is there. So you have to check this number, perfect cube numbers, and find the range in which our 175 lies. So our 175 number lies between 175 numbers lies between this 125 and 216. Or 175 value of the 175 lies between which two perfect cube numbers? 125 and 216 है ना. 125 और 216 के बीच में 175 आएगा. So 125 is the cube of which number? 5 cube, है ना, smallest number is 125 out of these two, and whose cube root is 5. So from this we can write its cube root is 5. So we are getting number 56, which is the cube root of this given number. So cube root of 175,616 is nothing but the 56. Calculator lo multiply 56 with 56 with 56, you will get the same digit. Clear students? चलो एक और सम. Find the cube root of 4913 by method of estimation. By method of estimation. So first step, start weighing the group from the rightmost digit, from the unit place digit into the digits of 3. So first group will be 913, and for second group we are having only 4. So complete the group of 3 digits by adding 2 0. This is second group. So the number is divided into 2 groups. First group we will check unit place digit property, and for second group we will check the value of the perfect cube number. So here unit place digit is 3. So if the unit place digit of given number is 3, then its cube root will consist of 7 as a unit place digit. So here out of these two number, unit place digit will be 7. Now for this place we have to check the value of this number. This is 004, 4 is there. So 4 lies between which two perfect cube numbers? Value of 4 lies between 1 and 8, है ना, 1 और 8 के बीच में 4 आएगा. Smallest number is, smallest perfect cube number is 1, whose cube root is 1. So here you have to put 1. So our answer is cube root of this 4913 is 17, है ना. कैलकुलेटर लो, वेरीफाई करो. थर्ड, अभी सबको समझ में आ गया है. 12167, फाइंड द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 12167. 12167. First step, make the group of digits, 3 digits from the rightmost direction, from the unit place digits. So first group of digits is 167, and remaining 2 digits are 1 2, add 1 0, so it's a 0 1 2. You have to divide the numbers into the group of 3 digits. From here we are getting the unit place digit, and from here we are getting tens place digit. So unit place digit, if the unit place digit of given number is 7, group is 167. So here unit place digit is 7. So if unit place digit of the number is 7, and if we take the cube root of that given number, we are getting 3 as a unit place digit. So from this first group we are getting 3 as a unit place digit. Now for this tens place digit we have to take the value of this number, which is 0 1 2, 12. So our 12 lies between two perfect cube numbers 8 and 27. So 8 and 27, in which 8 is the lowest number, which is cube of 2. So here we are getting 2 as a tens place digit. So our answer is cube root of this 12161 number is 23. Clear students? Fourth sum. Here you have to find the cube root of 32768. 32768. Now what is the first step? Make the group of digits of 3 digits, group of 3 digits. So first group is 768, and second group which is 32. So you have to add 0. So 032 and 768, these are the two groups. Now first we have to check unit place digit. So here unit place digit of this group is 8. So cube root of that number will consist of 2 as a unit place digit. So here our unit place digit is 2. Now check the value of this 32. 32 lies between which two perfect cube numbers? 27 and 62. So smallest perfect cube number is 27, which is cube of 3. So here we are getting digit 3. So now we can estimate the perfect cube of, or we can say cube root of this perfect cube number is 32. Clear? Last question, fifth one. So here you have to find the cube root of 15625. अभी सबको आ गया होगा, है ना? क्या करना है? फर्स्ट स्टेप इज मेक द ग्रुप ऑफ 3 डिजिट्स. सो फर्स्ट ग्रुप इज 625, second group is 15, add 1 0, so it's 015. So first step complete, making the group of 3 digits. Now for the unit place digit, you have to check the unit place digit of this first group. Here unit place digit is 5, so we know that whenever the unit place digit of given perfect cube number is 5, we are getting the same number as a unit place digit in a cube root of that number. So 5 is there. Second group digits are 0 1 5, that means number is 1 5 15. 15 lies between which two perfect cube numbers? 8 and 27. So smallest perfect cube number is 8, which is cube of 2. So tens place digit is 2. So cube root of this given number is 25. Done. So this is how we can find the cube root of any given perfect cube number without any calculation. This is known as method of estimation. Method of estimation to find the cube root of any given number. Pause the video and note it down.